Hey guys, here's how to make this delicious loaded kimchi fries. First, coat a pan with cooking spray. Add frozen french fries to pan and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. To a bowl, add some mayonnaise, gochujang paste, a tablespoon lime juice and mix until combined. In a skillet, melt 2 tablespoons butter, add thinly sliced kimchi and stir with a wooden spoon. Now, add a tablespoon butter to a clean skillet and melt until brown. Add strips of boneless chicken thighs and cook for 4 minutes without touching the meat. To the pot add some chopped green onions. A tablespoon soy sauce, tablespoon gochujang paste and cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Now arrange the french fries closely together in the pan. Add sharp shredded cheddar cheese, chicken mixture, and more cheddar cheese. Add your kimchi and bake for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Drizzle with some gochujang mayonnaise, chopped green onions, cilantro leaves and enjoy. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye!